I'm Carlos, that's Lexi, and we are a 40-year-old homeless couple. And today Lexi's gonna be cutting my hair because we're broke. We are what you call broke. So she's gonna cut my hair because we can't get to the barber. So look at that. All right, when you're ready, start. Wait, hold on. What number is that?
3.
Should you think of 3 or number 2?
Start off with the 3 first.
Okay, start off with the 3 first. All right, but don't forget, you got to get all that.
Yeah, I know. I'm a professional. Sure. Look at all this hair, babe. Wow.
I'm nervous.
I just told you I'm a professional. What the hell are you nervous about? If you were doing it yourself, you have something to be nervous about.
It don't look like it's cutting much. I mean, it is, but
the hair that's falling off says different.
She's a professional, yeah. Yeah, get all that. That looks ridiculous. I hate the way that looks.
I might have to do it too.
I mean, I guess it kind of looks better.
This thing probably ain't never seen this much hair in his life.
It's been, what? It's been 2 months since I had a haircut? 3 months?
You want to do the 2?
Yeah, I do the 2 because it's still... That's a 7. That's the 1. So this is what we're working with here. Oh, I got hair in there. All right, what's this? That's a 4. All right. Let me make sure. That's the 2. All right.
What are you laughing at? Huh?
Nothing.
I feel like a teacher just not my glasses on. Is that what you were laughing at?
No.
Oh.
I just thought about, like, if I look bad, you don't have to walk around with me in public because you'll be at work all day.
Poor Harley. She has to look at you all day and she has to go out with you.
I mean, it's not my ideal haircut, but I mean, it looked more kept than what it was.
Is there a brush in there for this?
I
thought there was. One of those little...
No. No. Do we have more toothbrushes?
I think I do actually.
If you have a new one, you can use this. So what do y'all think? I did my beard and my mustache. My hair just goes wild, man. When I had money before I was broke and homeless, I used to get my hair cut every 10 days or so, just because my hair was so wild.
You didn't have a choice.
Yeah, I didn't have a choice. Like it looks. Y'all see what it looked like. Cause you look so serious.
Because I ain't trying to leave no bald spots in.
Did any of your ex-husbands let you cut their hair?
No. Nope.
See how much I love you?
It's all the little hairs you can see through your peripheral.
Mm-hmm. I could once you shaded, they went away like 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 I was telling her, it was getting so long that the hairs right here, like I could see them out of the corner of my eye, like it was driving me crazy. Like I said, it's not not my normal typical haircut, but it looks way better than what it did just 5 minutes ago. And just for future reference, you're supposed to go forward, not back.
Well, I wasn't getting the hair when I was going forward. Look at how much hair I was able to take off going back. My hair is like...
Bruh.
I heard that.
That shit made a whole sound and everything. Like, what do y'all think? Much gooder?
Let me see the toothbrush.
Like I said, like this is much better. Oh, that's running water. My bad, y'all. This is much better than, because it was. Whoo! How come nobody told me I look like that?
I mean, in everybody's defense, they see what you're going through. They don't want to be like, hey, by the way, you need a haircut.
By the way, you look like a wildebeest.
It's like, the guy's going through enough shit. And this now reminds him that he hasn't been able to get a haircut in 2 months. Why the hell not? Because you didn't know that, right?
Because I didn't know that. Somebody would have pointed, some internet troll would have pointed that out.
Oh, of course.
It's like, damn, dude, you need a haircut. And they're like, hey, you're fat. And you're like, oh, wow. I see you have a degree in ignorance. Got it.
There's a lot of those, unfortunately.
Yeah. Because people pretend they never gone through stuff, Like, I'm talking to Brett, and, he's like, dude, everybody's been there, man. Like, don't let nobody make you seem like they don't know, Like, everybody's had a moment in their life where,
shit just wasn't
shit
right.
went south and you had to rebuild and stuff like that. That's why, like, I'm not embarrassed, man. Like, it happens. It happens to a lot of people. And if you're lucky and never be thankful that being homeless and unemployed is,
Hasn't happened to
you, you know what I mean? But, don't pretend, if you've never had that happen to you, then,
don't judge somebody.
Yeah.
Going through it. Because the last thing somebody needs when they're going through some shit is judgment.
Like, you do what you gotta do to get by, you know what I mean? Like
letting your wife cut your hair.
Like letting my wife cut my hair. Look, it was either that or walk around looking ridiculous. Like, and I can't do that, You gotta do something. You gotta, So like I said, while this isn't, I don't feel GQ, like I don't feel as bad as I did 5 minutes ago. Like, I looked horrible. You do this and keep it short, and and that's fine. This is perfectly fine. What do you think? Look at this. Hold on. Look at all that. Look at all that. So, but anyway, so this is what you got to do when you're broke. When you're broke, kitty broke. And like I said, shit happens, and I'm like I said, I'm not embarrassed because like this happens to everybody, and we didn't screw up our lives. Like, we didn't do nothing wrong to get here. We just shit just happened the way it happened. So anyway, you want to say something?
I did that.
Subscribe. Peace.